Hi, this is Dollar Day Trader, my trading recap for March 30th, 2020. All right, after coming off of pretty bad trading week last week where I traded 4 days and I went 0 for 4, which was disappointing, obviously. And really, it was my first week working from home, so I really need to adjust the psychology. Today, I did a little better, even though I had a very small red day. But I did felt like I kept my motions in check and had a better setup in terms of just my work, where my work area is, if you will. So I traded two stocks. First one, unfortunately, I'll go to the first one, BLPH, which was a pretty bad trade. No discipline whatsoever, and I really need to hold off the first 3 minutes of the market opening here. I took a long position thinking I would see this pop up initially, and I shouldn't have. There's no strategy behind it, especially this time where I'm struggling. I need to take a step back and really do high quality trades. So I took a long around 2049. I stopped out at 1888, 84, which is pretty horrible. And then I went for the short, stopped out. So now I'm just guessing here, and then finally caught a short position and covered at break even. And then eventually it did break down. So I got the right idea after two ill-advised trades, as I did have a short bias here. And then it did break down. But at that point, I was just moved on to the different stock I was watching, which is Abbott, ABT. So here I was trading the other stocks. I missed this opening here. It popped up, it reached, couldn't go any farther. And look at this. And this pre-market level is really derived from here around 8 o'clock, a little after 8, where we see this extension and these wicks with a good amount of volume here in the pre-market. So that actually served to be a pretty good price level for when we open in the market. So it rejected this area, bounced down, came back up, touched it. So if you were fast enough and could have got a short position here, that would have been awesome. I was probably still on BLPH, so I did not notice that, unfortunately. And then it kind of broke down below VWAP, hovering, went down. Kind of was making a reverse ABC pattern here. ABC, didn't get it here. I took a short a little too late, then got stopped out. Should have been more patient, took another short, quickly stopped out. There's short, stopped out, and then finally it took short, added my position. When I saw this long wick and rejection, I thought, okay, finally now it's going to break this other price level that we had in the pre-market. So took a short around 80.59 and covered 80.13 all the way down to 79.68. It popped back up. I don't know, I shouldn't have taken this actually. I should just kept partialing at this point till it broke even. But I took another short position around 79.68, covered at 79.43. And once again, I don't know why I was thinking, shorted 78.94 and covered around 74, and then tried to get around break even. Probably had a little slippage there. I had only a few shares. That was fine. And then we see the reversal here. I can't recall if I took a short and then covered really quick. I think that's what it is. Yeah, I think I was looking for another rejection of this moving average, and I took a short and covered 79.93. 79.85, 79.61, and the rest was simulator trading. Just kind of test stuff out. This was actually the live trading here. So overall, like I said, it was says here I'm up, $14, which is okay, during the day. But with the amount of, I did trade a lot, and I traded later on the SPY, which trying to get some scalps there, and it was really just nothing big, but definitely took some commissions out. So I probably had a low red. I had a low small red day, which is fine. Just need to get back on the swing of things and hopefully finish out the rest of the week strong and just improve each day and just keep discipline and not trade in the first minute like that. That was pretty silly of me. So just needed to be patient. I got not all day, but most of the day to look at 20, 30-minute intervals and pay attention to stock. I need to take advantage of that and not rush anything. So hope everyone else had a good day, and I will talk to you later.